Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Renegade oil light. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off. Then, without pressing the brake pedal, push your engine start/stop button once or turn your key to the on/RUN position. This will power up your dashboard lights and accessories, but the engine should remain off. This is a crucial first step to prepare for the reset procedure. Now, with the ignition still in the on/RUN position and the engine off, you'll need to use your accelerator pedal. Slowly and fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 separate times. Make sure to complete all 3 presses within a 10-second time frame. This specific sequence signals the vehicle's computer to begin the oil light reset process. After you've completed the 3 pedal presses, turn your ignition back to the OFF/lock position. This saves the reset command. Next, go ahead and start your Jeep Renegade as you normally would. Check your dashboard display. The oil change required message or oil light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. You're all set to drive. If the oil light remains on after your first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step precisely. If the light still won't reset, it might indicate a more significant issue, and it's best to consult your owner's manual or a certified mechanic. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.